Hello, welcome to my channel where I show you my production process and the beautiful things I love to create. So please like and subscribe. I really do make beautiful stuff. I made this caddy, I made this pendant, and I made this. I love this. These are these are past projects and items. Some of the products on my online shop, mostly Afrocentric jewelry. Mostly Afrocentric jewelry. Excuse me. And these are batch orders, custom products made to the brand or to the concept of the owners of the brand or to products of the brand. Unfortunately, I'm working on the logistics to allow me to be able to deliver overseas. So, but right now, my store only services within my country. But very soon, with your support, I should be able to deliver overseas. But right now, you can support me by subscribing to my channel, watch me create some of these items, and like, drop your comments, and subscribe for more. Thank you very much. I made this. I made this lovely plywood caddy. I also made this pendant. And here are some of my old. I run an online store, but unfortunately, I'm still working out the logistics to be able to deliver overseas. So right now, online store mostly serves my country. But you can support me by liking my videos, subscribing to this channel, watching me produce some of this stuff, and hopefully I'll be able to pass on some of my orders overseas. This is a pendant. Most of these are pendant. Most of them are Afrocentric jewelry. I conceptualize and then make from this a lion head artwork I made for one of my batch orders, and then I turned this into a lapel pin and a pendant here. These are mostly batch ordered products customized to the product of my client or what they do. This was for a service station. Yes, this was created to a brand, a culinary brand. So mostly I conceptualize and design this a brooch pin for an event with each of the pieces personalized to each attendant of the event. So these were made for a trade fair. So if this looks like so if these are things you'd love to watch them be made, these are Afro map earrings, large hoop earrings, African map shape. And these hoop earrings, I'm still working on releasing a new line presently. This is a brooch pen. It carries Yoruba Oriki names and it was quite popular when I launched that. So please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, watch me create some of this stuff and support. If there's something you can get behind, this was made for a brand too. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I hope to see more of you.